Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel Watch. Google has announced the Pixel Watch. It is up for pre-orders as it is re-recording. I am recording this October 7th at 2 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, the Pixel Watch is finally here. I don't know when this thing's supposed to get released. Maybe October 13th, the same day as the Pixel devices. I'm not sure, but anyways, this could be a long video, so keep that in mind. I'll try to have chapters to different parts of the video. So yeah, let's check out the Pixel Watch from Google. It says they're helped by Google Health by Fitbit, $349.99. So there is the Pixel Watch right there. Pretty cool if you guys like smartwatches and whatnot. Personally, I don't give a fuck about watches, like, you know, I personally don't give a fuck, but you know, some people might like smartwatches. So here you go. So it's $349.99 or $29.17 a month for 12 months with 12 months 0% APR Google Store financing. So yeah, y'all guys have colors. So y'all guys have like 4 different color options. So you guys have the champagne gold case, hazel active band, then you guys have the matted black case and obsidian active band, and then y'all guys have a polished silver case, charcoal active band, and then you guys will have a polished silver case and chalk active band. Alright, so you guys got like 4 different color options to choose from there. Yeah. Here are some perks, I guess, if you guys like pre-ordered the Pixel Watch or whatever. 6 months of Fitbit Premium included. Give deeper insights and guidance, exclusive workouts, and more. 3 months of YouTube Music Premium. Listen to over 1 million songs ad-free and download favorites right to your watch. Alright, that's pretty cool. The first smartwatch to deliver the best of Google and Fitbit. Beautiful inside and out. Help from Google right on your wrist. Live weather with Fitbit. Works seamlessly with the Pixel portfolio and Android. A bold circular dome design. Pretty nice there. Match your style with over 20 bands. Y'all guys got like a shitload of bands to choose from there. So y'all guys can customize the watch to your liking. So that's really nice. Recycled premium stainless steel finish. Leave your phone at home with 4G LTE. The new experience of Wear OS by Google with fluid motion and info at a glance. It's made for the watch's circular design, so pretty cool there. Help on the go. Help from Google right on your wrist. Google Maps helps you find your way. Turn-by-turn directions and turn-by-turn directions and interactive view helps you see where you are and get to where you're going. Google Wallet lets you leave your cards behind. Add your cards digitally to Google Wallet, then use Google Pay to speed through checkout with quick, contactless payments in stores and on transit. Google Assistant helps you get more done with your voice. Play music, respond to text, get directions, and more on your wrist. Just say "Hey Google" to get started. Gmail and calendar keeps you on track. Check and respond to email notifications and access your calendar right from your watch. YouTube Music puts your songs within reach. Stream your music using 4G LTE or enjoy the songs you have already downloaded. Health and fitness. Live healthier with Fitbit. Fitbit most accurate heart rate tracking yet. Stay motivated to reach your goals by tracking workouts across 40 exercises and get credit for time spent in different heart rate zones with active zone minutes. Keep an eye on your heart with the ECG app. Assess your heart rhythm for atrial fibrillation with the ECG app, and easily share results with your doctor, which is very nice. Life-saving features there, possibly. Track your nightly sleep stages and health metrics. Wear your watch to bed to get a sleep score and see metrics like breathing rate and heart rate. Variability in the Fitbit app for trends that help highlight new habits for better health. Stay protected with fall detection and emergency SOS. The Google Pixel Watch can alert trusted contacts or 911 if you are feeling unsafe, and fall detection helps connect you to with emergency services if you had a hard fall. Fall detection coming this winter. Alright, so that's pretty cool there. Life-saving features, very nice. Get extra insights with Fitbit Premium included. Enjoy 6 months of Fitbit Premium included with the Google Pixel Watch. You will get deeper insights, exclusive workouts, mindfulness sessions, and more available upon device activation. Explore more health and fitness features from Fitbit. Y'all guys can check that out. Pixel Portfolio works seamlessly with the Pixel phones and earbuds. Set up and switch between devices with ease. With Fast Pair, it's quick and easy to connect your Pixel Watch, Pixel Buds, and Pixel phone with each other. Control your entertainment across Pixel devices. If you're listening to music or watching a show on your Pixel device, you can play, pause, rewind, and adjust the volume from your Pixel phone, Pixel Buds, or Pixel Watch. Find your watch, phone, and earbuds quickly. Ring your phone from your watch, and ring your watch or earbuds from your phone. Find My Device helps you locate your misplaced Pixel phone, earbuds, or watch on a map. Manage your connected home from anywhere. Manage your connected home from wherever you are. Pixel phones, Pixel Buds, and the Pixel Watch gives you access to your smart home devices from anywhere. Use the Google Home app to turn up the heat, turn off lights, or get notifications if a person or a package is at the door. Do even more with apps on Google Play. So I guess these are Google Pixel Watch optimized apps. So these apps are optimized for the Pixel Watch. So that's pretty cool. 2 options to keep you connected. 4G LTE plus Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi. So if you guys want 4G LTE plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi, it's $399.99. If you guys just want Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it's $349.99. So if you guys want the 4G LTE, it's $50 more. So stay fully connected even with your phone back home. Keep your phone close for calls, texts, and more. So choose what watch is best for you. Switch it up with bands for any style. If you guys want to check that out, y'all guys can check it out. So they got different bands here. So yeah, they got different bands here. So y'all guys got a lot of choices. So y'all can customize the Pixel Watch any way you guys want. Make it your own, make it unique and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. $60 though. It's fucking crazy. 60, 40, 50, 50, 60, and $80 respectively, depending on what band that you guys get. The leather band is $80 though. So yeah. Y'all guys get free shipping, finance your Pixel Watch, which I suggest you guys get insurance on it. Frequency ask questions, so you guys can check this out if you guys need help with your Pixel Watch or anything like that. The specs on the Pixel Watch. So this is what the Pixel Watch looks like here. It says inside the Pixel Watch there. It's 41 millimeter diameter there. And that's the width of the circular shape there of the main part of the watch there. Four color combinations to choose from, right? So I mentioned that at the beginning of the video that you guys have 4 color combinations there. You guys have champagne gold case, hazel active band, matted black case, obsidian active band, polished silver case, chalk active band, and then you guys have a polished silver case and charcoal active band. So y'all guys have 4 color combinations, but y'all guys can switch out the bands, but you guys have to pay extra for that. So yeah. Colors, I just mentioned that. I'm not gonna go over the colors again for a third time. They say third time's the charm, but not in this case. So yeah. Materials and finish. Case 80% recycled stainless steel. Active band, fluorescent. Holy, I'm not even gonna fucking say the F word. I'm not even gonna say that. But it has soft touch coating, so pretty nice. There's your dimensions and weight of the Pixel Watch there. Connectivity options, you guys got 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and NFC. Y'all guys have GPS, GPS GLONASS and all that. Compatibility, you guys have to have a Android device with the Android 8.0 or newer. So it's very generous there of Google to do that. Yeah, I think you can use the Pixel Watch on any Android phone, right? I'm sure you can. I don't see why not. But you have to have at least Android 8.0 to use the Pixel Watch on your phone. Display is a custom 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 320 PPI AMOLED display with DCI-P3 color. Brightness is up to 1000. That's always on display. Band size. I gotta keep going back out. The active band, you guys have small and large band sizes included. So if you guys have small wrist, you guys will be fine. If you guys got like big wrist, you guys will be fine too. Small fits wrist, large fits wrist. So you guys have small and large band sizes. So that's pretty nice. Power. Y'all guys have a 294 milliamp battery inside the watch, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery up to 24 hours, USB-C magnet charging cable, charging speed up to 50% in 30 minutes, up to 55%. Up to 50% in 30 minutes, up to 80% in 55 minutes, and up to 100% in 80 minutes, according to this. The processor is the Exynos 9110 SoC Cortex M33 co-processor. Wear OS version 3.5. Storage 32 GB of eMMC flash, 2 GB of SD RAM. Sensors. Y'all guys have a compass, altimeter, blood oxygen sensor, multi-purpose electrical sensor, optical heart rate sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor. Interaction. You guys have a side button, haptic crown, premium haptics, audio, built-in microphone, built-in speaker. Features. The features: Fitbit, health and fitness, always on display, Google Maps, Google Wallet, Google Assistant, messages and notifications, YouTube Music, NFC, emergency SOS, international emergency calling, interchangeable band design, coming this winter, fall detection up to 32 G-forces. I'm not sure what that means. Durability and water resistance. Y'all guys have custom 30 Gorilla Glass 5 and 5 ATM. I'm not sure what that is. And then what comes in the box is pretty much everything that you guys see on screen. You guys get the Google Pixel Watch, of course, active band, small and large sizes included, USB-C magnet, charging cable, and quick start guide. Alright, so yeah, if you guys want to learn more about Google's ambition, y'all guys can check that out. Free shipping and financial Pixel Watch. I suggest you guys do that, or if you guys want to pay full retail price for it, go right ahead. I suggest you guys get insurance on it as well. Shit. So I don't think this video was as long as I thought it was gonna be. So that's good. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Google Pixel Watch is now here from Google. It's coming out, I guess, October 13th, the same day as the Pixel 7 devices, I guess. If you guys are looking to get a Pixel Watch, here you guys go. It's available now it's up for pre-orders as it is really recording for $349.99 or $29.17 a month for 12 months. So if you guys are looking to get a smartwatch from Google, the Google Pixel Watch is y'all smartwatch to check out there. If you guys like smartwatches, go right ahead. I personally don't give a fuck, but that's just me personally. But if you guys like smartwatches, here you guys go. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys smile a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.